Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add Amazon product to your website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, hover your mouse over the site you want to edit. Click on select and edit site, and then you're going to be taken to your dashboard. Once you're here in your dashboard, go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections right here. And here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So right now, go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to the Wix editor. So just wait for the Wix editor to load. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here, go to the left side of your screen, and then here you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. Here you're going to find the add element option. Here you're going to find add section, pages and menu, site design, and here you're going to find add apps. So go ahead and click on add apps, then make sure you click on app market. After that, go to the search bar and search for Amazon. Once you do that, hit enter, and then right here, you're going to find all of the results for your search. Here, you're going to find Amazon, give it a click. And as you can see, guys, right here, this application will showcase Amazon products on your site. So go ahead and click on add to site, and then wait for Amazon to be added to your Wix site. And as you can see, guys, once it will be added, this is how it will look like. So right now, you can go ahead and give it a click. After that, go to settings. And then as you can see guys right here, from here you can add items. You're going to find all of the settings, also the design and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.